You've seen the ancient roads of Machu Picchu, but have you ever wondered how they were built in the Andes? These roads weren't just paths through the mountains. They were masterpieces of engineering. Spanning over 25,000 miles, the Inca Road System connected the vast empire with precision and purpose. It wasn't built by brute force. It was designed with a deep understanding of nature and human needs. These roads weren't just for trade. They were lifelines. They carried messengers, armies, and goods across the empire, linking cities, temples, and the heart of the Inca world. The Inca built these roads without wheels or beasts of burden. They used human labor, ingenuity, and an almost spiritual connection to the land. This is how they conquered the mountains. In the next part, we'll explore how the Inca used advanced techniques to build these roads, from stone to rope, and how they shaped the world we know today. The Inca Imperial Road, or Kuhapakanan, wasn't just a path. It was an empire's lifeline, stretching over 25,000 miles across the most unforgiving terrain on Earth. This road wasn't built for speed, but for control, communication, and connection. It linked the vast Inca Empire from the northern Andes to the southern coast. The road was constructed with incredible precision. Some sections are built on cliffs, while others are carved through solid rock with no mortar. It was more than a road. It was a system of communication, with relay stations and a network of messengers known as the Chasqui, who carried messages across the empire. The Kahau Ka'a is a marvel in engineering, built by thousands of laborers over centuries, and remains one of the greatest achievements of pre-Columbian civilization. The Inca Road was more than just a path. It was a lifeline for their empire, connecting people, goods, and ideas across thousands of miles. It shaped their economy, culture, and political control, proving that infrastructure is the backbone of civilization. Today, we take roads for granted, but the Inca built theirs with precision and purpose. Their system was so advanced, it rivaled modern engineering, and it was all done with human labor and ingenuity. Understanding the Inca Road helps us see how ancient civilizations built complex societies. It challenges the idea that modern infrastructure is the only way to achieve connectivity and control. By studying this road, we gain insight into human potential, how we can build with care, with purpose, and with the knowledge that what we create today will shape the world for generations. The Inca Road is more than history. It's a lesson in what we can achieve when we prioritize connection over conquest, and when we build for the future, not just the present. The Inca Empire rose in the 13th century, uniting hundreds of local kingdoms into a vast, cohesive state. Their vision was not just to conquer, but to connect, to build an empire that thrived through unity and shared purpose. By the early 1400s, Pachacuti had begun transforming the empire into a centralized state. He reorganized the territory, strengthened the army, and laid the foundation for what would become the most extensive road system in the pre-Columbian world. The road system was more than a route for travel. It was a lifeline of communication, a way to move goods, soldiers, and messages across thousands of kilometers. It was the nervous system of the empire, binding together its diverse regions. Construction of the road began in earnest during the 1440s, with engineers and laborers working in harmony with the land, carving paths into mountains and building bridges across rivers, all while maintaining the precision and strength of Inca stonework. The road was completed by the 1520s, stretching over 25,000 miles across the Andes. It was a testament to the Incas' mastery of engineering, their ability to build with the land, not against it, and their deep understanding of logistics and organization. Imagine a road that goes all the way around the world, but not on the ground. It goes up mountains, over waterfalls, and through forests. It's like a giant string that holds together a whole country. This road wasn't just a path. It was a way to bring people, goods, and ideas together. It was like a giant thread that made everything in the empire connect. They didn't use wheels or animals everywhere. They used their hands, their knowledge, and their teamwork to make the road work. It was a big job, but they did it with care. Even though they didn't have modern tools, they built something that lasted for centuries. That's because they cared about their people and their land. They wanted to make sure everyone was connected. Before the Inca Empire laid its roads, they first established a system of mountain ranges, rivers, and valleys as their natural framework. These elements shaped where the roads would go and how they would connect the empire. At the core of their planning was a precise understanding of the terrain. The Inca used a sophisticated knowledge of geology and hydrology to select the most stable and strategic routes for their road network. They often built roads along the ridges of mountains, where the soil was more solid and the view was unobstructed. These high-altitude routes allowed for easier communication and movement across vast distances. In places where the terrain was too steep or unstable, the Inca used terracing to create flat surfaces for the road. This technique not only made travel easier, but also prevented erosion and landslides. Every element of the road planning was rooted in the land itself. The Inca didn't impose their will upon nature. They adapted to it, ensuring that the road system was both functional and sustainable. The Inca built a system of stone stairways and retaining walls to secure their roadways against erosion and landslides. These structures were carefully shaped to fit the landscape, creating a seamless blend between the road and the mountain itself. Along the road, they placed carved stone markers called tecas that guided travelers and provided information about distances and landmarks. These markers were often engraved with symbols and texts in the Quechua language. To keep the roads clear, the Inca employed a system of labor known as mita, where local communities were responsible for regular maintenance and repair of the roads. This ensured the road remained passable for armies, messengers, and merchants. The Inca also developed an extensive system of rope bridges and suspension bridges to cross deep ravines and rivers. These bridges were made of thick, strong ropes tied to mountain cliffs or trees, allowing safe passage over otherwise impassable terrain. Water sources along the road were carefully managed, with reservoirs and aqueducts ensuring a steady supply of water for travelers and workers. These systems reflected the Incas' deep understanding of their environment and resource management. To maintain the road's integrity, the Inca used a clever twist in their design. By slightly curving the road inward, they minimized the effects of erosion and made the path more stable over time. This twist was not just for stability. It also allowed for easier maintenance. Workers could walk along the road and reach damaged sections without needing to cross dangerous terrain. The twist also helped the road better adapt to the natural landscape. By following the curve of the mountain, the Inca ensured the road stayed close to the earth and avoided unnecessary detours. This innovation shows how the Inca understood the importance of balance between engineering and the environment. They didn't fight the land. They worked with it. The twist was a small detail, but it had a big impact. It allowed the road to endure centuries of use and weather, proving that the Inca's ingenuity was built on careful observation and precision. Beneath the stone and mortar, a complex system of water channels and aqueducts quietly sustained the empire. These channels were not just for irrigation. They were the lifeblood of the road network, ensuring that movement and communication never stopped. The Inca understood that water was power. They engineered an intricate system of springs, fountains, and reservoirs, all integrated seamlessly into the road structure. This was not just construction. It was an ecosystem in motion. The roads themselves were more than paths. They were conductors of energy, both physical and symbolic. The Inca aligned them with celestial patterns, ensuring their power was both practical and spiritual. Every stone, every channel, every alignment was a testament to their knowledge. This was not just engineering. It was a science of survival, of connection, and of legacy. Imagine a spider spinning a web across the entire continent, each thread a road, each knot a city, and every strand a lifeline of connection. It's not about strength or size, but about precision, patience, and purpose. Each thread laid with exacting care, each connection vital to the whole. The spider web analogy is not metaphorical. It's a mirror. It shows how a simple, seemingly delicate structure can hold the weight of an entire civilization, just as the Inca Road held the weight of an empire. So let us not call it a road. Let us call it a web, because it was not built to be seen, but to be felt. It was not made to be strong, but to be connected. It was not built for speed, but for endurance. And in the end, it was not built to last, but to endure. Before you go, if you enjoyed this, please give a like and subscribe so you don't miss the next one. And tell us in the comments what you'd like us to make next. We read every single one. Thank you so much for watching. Comment this emoji if you made it to the end.